We'll learn about broadcast join now. Imagine a large warehouse requiring details from a tiny handbook. Rather than moving the warehouse, the handbook is copied and handed over to every worker. A broadcast join works the same way, replicating a small table across all nodes so it can quickly join with a large table. This avoids expensive shuffles of big datasets and speeds up query execution. It's perfect when one dataset is small enough to fit in memory and frequently used in joins. We'll meet in our next lecture.